Hello guys, here welcome to our channel, and today we study about how does a pulley work, how does a pulley work to lessen the force that we applied on that object to hold it up. Okay, so uh, we will explain this experiment, or this is a daily life experiment that we do daily, but we did not think about it. So we show this experiment here with explanation and by example. Let's say, okay, first started with that. There's a mass. Let's say this mass is about 4 kg. Okay, something 4 kg something. Okay, so it has a let's do and make an FBD of that object, that substance, that object. Okay, so if we made an FBD of this object, so there is only one force acting on it, that is mg. Weight will be 4 kg into 10 meter per second square. This is 9.8 meter per second, but approximately it will be 10, so 40 newton. Okay, if we if we hold this object, if we hold this object up, if we pull up this object, so we have to apply the force that is equals to the weight of this block, which is 40 newton. Okay, so here you can see that we also applied 40 newton to hold it up and stay stationary, okay, or stay equilibrium. So how can we lesser this force? How can we lesser this force by using pulley? Okay, so here remember that this force is 40 newton. Okay, this force is 40 newton. So after that, let's say this is a pulley somewhere here, and this is a string which attach this mass 4 kg within it, and this string is all connected. This string is somewhere here, and v means we applied a force here. Okay, let's say our weight is about 3 kg. Our mass is about 3 kg. Okay, then our weight is equals to 3 kg into 10 meter per second square, so weight is equals to 30 newton. Okay, okay, here the tension is same all around this string, because this string is massless and this pulley is also massless. You have seen this experiment on well, uh, how a man can pull a water in the bucket with the help of pulley. Okay, so here the tension act here, and the tension also act here. So the tension, let's say let's make a equation. Okay, so tension is equal to into 10 meter per second square. Okay, so tension is equals to 40 newton. Okay, so here we applied some force downward to hold it upward. Okay, so our weight is 30 kg, so we applied a force that is our weight plus something force that we exerted to pull it up, that object. Okay, then force is equals to 30 newton plus something x that we applied on that string to hold it up, something x force we applied on it. So here you notice that uh, 30 newton is our weight. Our weight is also helping us to hold that object in air. Okay, or hold it up, that object. So make an equation. Here the tension is equal to F, and F is equals to 30 Newton plus X. Okay, here tension is same, here the tension and here both tension is same. So equate it. Let's say it is one equation and it is second equation. By equating it, by T is equal to 40 Newton and T is equal to 30 Newton plus X, by equating these two equations, we find that we substitute method, we substitute this tension on here. So we find 40 Newton is equal to 30 Newton plus X. X is the actual force that we applied, and the 30 Newton is our weight that is acting on that object. Okay, so here the X comes 10 Newton, here the force come 40 Newton. Okay, so you can see a difference that if we pull that object directly without any supports or without any other force, so we find that force is equal to 40 Newton. But when we applied a pulley, when we attached a pulley through a string, then we find that our force become 10 Newton. Okay, so our force become 10 Newton, so it is easy to pull it. You may experience it. So thank you, and thank you.